This is Osso Buco, slow braised veal shanks. I brown my veal shanks, a couple inches thick each, and the bones with the marrow. I brown them in small batches so that they can develop color and the great sugars that occur naturally in the meat. And I also brown the little rim of fat there around the edge. Brown every part of the meat, piano piano, slowly, slowly. And then we take that out, and in the pot that we browned the meat, we're going to add our carrot, celery, and onion. Sometimes my mom and I would put fennel in here too, a bulb of fennel, also delicious. And then a big, big, generous bundle of rosemary and thyme, a couple of fresh bay leaves, salt and pepper, of course, to get the liquids to come out of the carrot, celery, and onion. And then an entire bulb of garlic, crushed. Boop! Our family always puts in crushed red pepper for a little heat, a little fennel. So I'm gonna put a little bit of saffron into some chicken and beef stock. I make a combination of chicken and beef stock if you're not going to take the time to make your own veal stock. Now we're going to add to our veg some tomato paste. So stir your paste. And then a sprinkle of flour to help thicken our sauce a bit. We'll stir, just to coat. And then my favorite liquid, half a bottle of wine. A squish of the juice of the orange that we zested. Our tomato product, 128-ounce can of tomato product. And then we add in our saffron stock. Smells good. And then I'm gonna try and fit the Fred Flintstone shanks back into the pot. These are the Osso Buco that cooked about 2 hours and 45 minutes because they're so huge. If they're smaller, or AKA normal size pieces of veal shank at your house, they might be done in as little as 2. The way you tell is just wiggle a fork in there. If the meat feels very loose, you're good to go. Remove the strings, of course. They'll kind of fall off because the meat shrinks as it cooks up. I take them out and I put them right next to the hot pot, and I just let the sauce reduce a bit. And as it reduces, I pull out the bundle of herbs and the bay. Oh my God, this is a heavy dish. And pour the sauce down over the meat. And then, now this charred bread rubbed with garlic and drizzled with oil, and then we top it with some flaky sea salt, and you rip or coarsely chop this and jam it into the edges of the sauce. We take chopped toasted pistachio, chopped parsley, our orange zest, our lemon zest, and 1 small clove of raw pasted garlic. We mix all that together. That's our gremolata. And then we sprinkle that over the top.